Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Wednesday, April 18th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. So gold, we had a nice bull move yesterday. Was unable to break to a higher high on the 4-hour at that point. But this was the resistance I really was watching at 1553.50 if you followed along in the videos last night. I was expecting some consolidation there with healthy consolidation and wanted to see a higher low form on the 4-hour. We did that and broke to another higher high here. And then really strong move by breaking above that 1353.50 resistance. And now we have some more consolidation coming in. So as long as we can form another higher low above this low here of 1345, the 4-hour chart is going to be in control of the bulls at this point. And so obviously the resistance to watch is the high of today at 1359 on this 4-hour chart. Looking at the hourly. Hourly, same reflection here. So we had a low here, high, higher low, higher high. And now we're just consolidating and ranging. I will, until this 1359 is broken, I will look for a lower high on the hourly here, with us breaking the support here of 1351.30 on this pullback, formed a lower low here, and that hourly support now at 1350.50 to watch. So we'll see if we start forming lower highs and lower lows on the hourly as it consolidates some further, and then watch for as long as this 4-hour support holds down here at 1345, form a higher low, and then see if we can break this resistance here at 1359. Looking at the daily. Daily, really not much here to see. Still need, so the same as the 4-hour, we need to break that 1359 level on the daily, and then resistance at 1369.40. Support to watch here, our first support that I'll be watching here is 1340.20. And then at 1335.50. Looking at the weekly on gold. Gold weekly, yesterday we were able to break this weekly resistance here. This last week we were able to break this weekly resistance here at 1362.60. And so as long as we can hold above this higher low at this point, this is the low of the consolidation after this big bull move up here on the weekly. We had consolidation low here at 1322.60. And so that's the level that longer term bulls want to hold on this weekly chart. Monthly, what I was watching for on this monthly is you could see 3 consecutive monthly candles with lower highs. Tops at 1365.40. 1364.40 and now at 1362.60 last month, and this month we broke to a higher high on that monthly, so that's a good sign for the bulls here. Want to see how the volume looks by the end of the month, and then next resistance that we're going to be looking for on this break here, as long as we can hold the candle this low here, and that lines up with that weekly low of consolidation at this monthly low at 1303.60. As long as bulls can hold that level on any type of pullback, the next resistance to be watching for is 1377.50. So this longer term chart right now is definitely in favor of the bulls from this bottom here. You can clearly see that we've established higher lows now here, higher lows. So far another higher low established here, and now we've broken. See if we can see where we form a lower high here. And so I do like the monthly chart shaping up for gold. And if you follow along yesterday, silver has been kind of something I've been watching too with the silver daily chart. Silver daily chart is showing me a lot of strength right now, and so very interested in the silver dollar chart along with gold. I was watching this, it was basically in a channel for some time here. I could draw this a bottom line here. You can see that silver was trading in a channel, and we had this this resistance at the top here, this downtrend line here on the daily. Go ahead and remove this, make my charts cleaner. I had this downtrend line on the daily. We took out that downtrend line. It was regained here, got above it on increasing bull volume, and that was significant for me when I shared that in last night's video. And you can see the bulls absolutely stepped up today and had a monster move today on the daily on silver. And so longer term now on silver, what we're going to be watching for is we're going to be watching for a break here on the weekly here of 17 0.705 on this weekly chart. And let me see where the daily RSI is. Be aware that if the daily RSI gets into the overbought territory, then we will look for initial lower high, another lower high on the weekly as it reaches those levels. And so we'd like to see the daily consolidate some, potentially a back test of the daily downtrend line before moving higher. But that would be a very solid break for silver. Looking at the monthly chart, let me see. So the monthly chart's been tightening here. We've been tightening in this range. We did break to a lower low here, but since this low candle, we've been setting higher lows, and we've just been setting lower highs here. And so break of this monthly candle here at 17.705, which lines up that weekly, is going to be really strong for the bulls. We have this inside candle, high and low within the previous ranges, high and low. Want to break it on increasing bull volume, and would really show me some strength on this longer term monthly chart on silver if we're able to take out this 17.705 level on this monthly silver chart. Looking at the dollar. Looking at the dollar monthly, looks weak to me, in my opinion. We had this big pull down, pullback here, and then had a little small bounce attempt here on the monthly, broke that support, and seems like it's doing the same thing, just consolidating potentially before another leg down here on the monthly. Looking at the weekly on the US dollar, we're just getting oversold bounces on the weekly RSIs at this point. And so I've been looking at this equilibrium chart on the US dollar. We have a low, high, higher low, lower high, and so the bulls want to break this level at 90.597. I want to see the bears break this level at 88.942 for gold to continue on US dollar weakness. Looking at this chart here, the support to watch for potentially to break this weekly higher low and form a lower low, it's going to be the support at 89.229. So let's look at the miners. So GDXJ on the daily, we do have a bearish reversal candle that is on bear volume, and that would be some healthy consolidation that we potentially need on the daily chart here. And so on a break of today's low here of 22.96, I would look for further pullback. Next supports to be looking for here are going to be low here of 22.67 on the senior miners. 22.67, 22.66. That's basically the support to watch on the daily candles here, the lows of these two daily candles here. If it breaks the low of 22.96 today. Looking at GDXJ, probably similar candle, a reversal candle, looking for some healthy consolidation at this point as well. So this is a bear reversal candle, and it is a doji. So looks like potentially bears may step in here for a few days. So look for a break of today's low of 33.88 for some continuation for the bear miners to continue, for the bear miners to make a move. Support. The first support we'll be watching here is 33.25. The low of this candle here for me on this daily chart. So looks like we could be pulling back. Looking at the 4-hour chart, you can see that we were overbought. Last time we reached that 4-hour overbought, that was some healthy consolidation that we needed. So look for some healthy consolidation. You can see that the 4-hour is holding higher lows at this point. And so really watch this low of 33.24 on this 4-hour chart on GDXJ and GDX. Would look for this low support here at 22.64 to be watching for. If the low of today breaks, let me see what the low here was. So the supports to watch for tomorrow on GDX is 22.96, 22.92, and then really want to hold this support here at 22.61, 22.62, again by about a penny. That's really a support level that bulls want to hold on any consolidation here on this, based on this 4-hour chart. Looking at GDXJ monthly again, I know I keep emphasizing this in my nightly videos, but I am watching this equilibrium pattern play out here, and it's getting tighter. High, low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, and we'll see if we form another lower high here on this monthly chart with that daily reversal candle that we see that's formed today on GDX and GDXJ. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.